If you or someone you know has failed the Canadian PEBC examination, then I want you to take a deep breath. Now, first thing first, I want to tell you that failing at PEBC and exhausting all your PEBC attempt does not mean that your career and your life is over. That all you need to know is that PEBC gives 3 attempts for qualifying exam. If you fail in 3 attempts, then you can attempt the 4th time only after you apply to PEBC. And that too requires documentation work. Once your appeal is accepted, you will be eligible to apply for the 4th time. And if you're someone who has exhausted 4 attempts as well, then there is nothing to worry about. And here is why I am saying so. Because your PharmD degree is way more valuable than you thought. And here are 3 career pathways that does not require you to clear a licensing exam. And here are these. First, pharmaceutical industry. Look into the roles for medical license. MSLs are the bridge between the pharma companies, opinion leaders, and stakeholders. And this job does not require you to have a pharmacy license. It only requires you to have clinical knowledge, in which your PharmD degree is more than enough. But you have to be mindful that this field is super competitive. Many candidates are trying to get into it because many candidates often get into it through networking and not just cold mailing. And the salaries are super lucrative. When we talk about salary, then mid to senior level candidates earn from 1 lakh Canadian dollars to 1,60,000 Canadian dollars. Second, clinical research. Canada's clinical research industry is active and growing rapidly, and your PharmD can be very helpful. And you can work there as a research coordinate, research associate, and you can get roles in hospitals, universities, and other research organizations. But first thing that you need to understand that the entry-level jobs often pay from 55,000 Canadian dollars to 75,000 Canadian dollars, which is very low when we compare it with hospital pharmacies. However, with good experience and some time, you can expect salaries with managerial roles at 1,20,000 Canadian dollars also. It requires patience, it requires time, so it is a long-term investment plan. Third, academia and professorship. See, these roles often require a PhD holder, but there are some private institutions and colleges that are actively hiring those candidates with advanced degrees and real-world practice. See, your PharmD degree can be of some value if you're applying through these things. But, don't just apply through third-party portals. See, these job roles are often personal and in the inner circle. You need to expand your network. You need to get in touch with those who are already working in the industry. At the same time, you should apply and optimize your LinkedIn profile in medical pharma research and other things. Get into the circle, communicate with industry leaders, experts, and those candidates who can genuinely help you. Hope you found this video informational. If yes, then you can like this video. Share this video with all your friends who are willing to pivot to this new journey. At the same time, subscribe to Lead Expertise for more such informational stuff. If you want to know anything else about pharmacy career abroad, then do mention in the comments and our admin team will try to reach out to you to help you further.